crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and let's get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome to day 14 of the collaboration #CreepOnJune 2025. This is a collaboration put on by Tracy Fox, and I will have all the information down in the description box where you can go over and grab this kit that I'll be working with today, and also a link where you can go over and follow the collaboration calendar. You can click on each day to find that day's video. If the day hasn't happened yet, say you clicked on day 18, that will show you who the collaborator will be, and you can go ahead and follow along with their channel. So without further delay, let's get on to talking about day 14. In the last video for part 1, I created the journal that I'll be using to put all my embellishments in and each day's base. Tracy has made bases for all the days 1 through 30. They each come with a little quote that are takes on Poe's poems. My day 14 base is this, and the quote is, "Like a ghastly, rapid river, through the pale door, a hideous throng rush out forever and laugh, but smile no more." As many of Poe's poems do, they explore the deep and dark decay and madness of both physical and mental. You often wonder what Poe was thinking during those times that he was writing these now classic poems. My take on the poem The Haunted Palace, which is where my quote comes from, it was a lot of decay of the physical elements that he was seeing. So I wanted to include a lot of distressed images here. I'm going to insert the footage here of how I created this base. my base, I added some moss as my decaying element. I did texture paste with the grit paste crypt along the edges. I did a flip with a magnet here, like the opening and closing of Poe's notes. And then I added some 3D elements with the little bats here. Poe's poems also come with very cryptic messages to me of what he might have been thinking and how he wants you to think. So I added a little hidden element in this. My hidden element comes behind the journal cover. As you open the pages of my Nevermore ledger to reveal my hidden day 14. So let me show you a little bit of how I created that. So to start with, you're going to mix up 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water. And this is your base to write your secret message. It can be numbers, it can be letters, it can be whatever you want it to be. But you're just going to write that. And then you can allow this to dry. I did find if you were using a digital paper, if you used a piece that had a patterned background, it kind of hid if your image smudged a little bit while you were writing your secret message. This probably wouldn't be that big of a deal if you were using like scrapbook paper that didn't bleed, but I wanted to make sure that you couldn't see the message before it was ready to be revealed. So I found that the patterned background paper worked best. Your next step you're going to use to reveal your message is you're going to use 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol and 1/2 of a teaspoon of turmeric. Just mix that up really good. To reveal your hidden message. As the paper dries, you can see the message a little bit better. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this little dive into the mind of Edgar Allan Poe and how we can create our own hidden messages. So be sure to hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I put up any new content. And I'd like to thank Tracy again for inviting me to be part of this wonderful collaboration. It has really been a lot of fun. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.